Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I am making kheer ice cream. Creamy, rich and full of traditional flavors with a modern twist. A perfect dessert for summer and festive occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. Let it boil. Kheer is a traditional dessert. Ice cream version gives a modern twist to classic flavors. Now add 3 tablespoons milk powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons condensed milk. Mix well and boil for 5 minutes until slightly thick. Do not overboil the milk mixture. Remove from heat and cool for 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons melted jaggery and mix well. Pour into a bowl and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill completely. In another bowl, take 1 cup whipping cream. Beat until soft peaks form. Beat cream to soft peaks, not stiff. Add the chilled milk and jaggery mixture. Mix gently until well combined. Jaggery adds a rich and unique taste. Now pour into a mold. Add dry fruits and raisin on top. Dry fruits enhance both taste and texture. Keep in freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Milk provides calcium and protein. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Dry fruits add healthy fats and nutrients. Homemade desserts are fresher and safer. Your creamy kheer ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy the rich traditional flavor. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.